Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Food 411. And I have with me today Malcolm from our team.
Hello everyone.
Thanks for joining me, Malcolm.
Thanks for the invite.
I have to ask you, do you like macaroni and cheese?
I love macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese is a go-to in our family. My 7-year-old wants to be a chef when she grows up, and her favorite thing to make is macaroni and cheese. So we definitely eat macaroni and cheese in our house.
That's good to hear because we have a huge portion in front of us today.
Yes.
We are going to be tasting Leadbelly's macaroni and cheese. We have 3 rules for this tasting. The first rule is it has to be delivered by Dave with Metro Dining and Delivery. The second rule is 1 bite. And do you know the third rule?
The third rule is it cannot have any proteins in it. So no bacon, meat,
No chicken, no pork, no.
nothing like that. Yeah.
All right, it's got to be kind of an even playing field here. So today we're going to be looking at consistency of the noodle, flavor, cheesiness, and presentation. So right off the bat, one thing I noticed is the portion is huge.
It's absolutely huge.
This is 1 portion split in half.
Yes.
I knew it was a big portion, but gosh, I mean, this is like a meal in itself. So yeah. That is a large amount of macaroni and cheese.
A lot of macaroni and cheese.
Yep. So let's go ahead and open up here. Oh my gosh.
I can smell it through my mask and it smells phenomenal.
Oh wow, me too.
And it looks
Look at that sauce.
Cheesy. Oh, this looks delicious.
It's really pretty. The presentation is amazing.
Yes.
I almost don't want to disturb it.
That looks really good.
The noodles are the curly Q noodles.
Yep.
They look really tasty as well. It looks like there might be a little coating of like butter with it.
Or something. Yep, I see that.
Yeah.
This looks delicious.
Yeah, agreed. Are we ready to try it?
I'm definitely ready.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to get some of the middle there. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay.
That is awesome.
Yeah, the sauce is really
Really
rich
creamy.
and creamy.
Yes, that is really good.
Yeah, it has a very full flavor to it. Definitely creamy.
Mm-hmm. I want to take another bite, but I can't. Don't want to break the rules.
I know. I know. I can taste a little other hint of some flavoring with the cheese. It's just not straight up cheese.
No.
I don't know. I can't quite place it. It does look like there's a little maybe butter topping on it. It's delicious though.
I just want to take another bite, to be honest.
I know, it's really hard to judge from one bite.
Yeah, it's really good.
So are we ready to score it? Then we can finish the rest afterwards.
Yeah. Yes.
I'm gonna go with an 8 on this.
I'm gonna go up there as well. 8. It was really good.
Agreed. Okay, it's official. Leadbelly's macaroni and cheese, we give an 8.0. Malcolm, thank you so much for being here with me today. Hope you had fun.
I did, and I'm excited to eat the rest of this macaroni and cheese.
Same. And thank you to Dave with Metro Dining and Delivery for delivering this awesome macaroni and cheese. We appreciate you helping us out with this. And make sure you guys call Metro Dining and Delivery for all of your delivery needs. We'll see you guys next time.